If you're ready to start an LLC in New Mexico, you're at the right place. I've personally set up a New Mexico LLC, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the exact step-by-step process so you can do it yourself without any confusion. By the end of this tutorial, you have everything you need to form your New Mexico LLC, get your tax ID number, and understand all the ongoing requirements to keep your business in good standing. We'll cover the real cost, the timeline you can expect, and I'll show you exactly which documents you'll receive. Plus, this setup works perfectly if you're running a local small business, through freelancing, selling online through platforms like Amazon FBA, TikTok Shop, or building your own agency. I'm gonna keep it practical and straightforward, so let's dive right into it. Now first, let's go over why I would choose New Mexico for your LLC in the first place. And first of all, it's the best option if you live in New Mexico yourself. But besides that, there are also some solid business benefits that make New Mexico attractive for LLC formation for anyone, including non-US residents. First, New Mexico offers a business-friendly environment with low fees and straightforward filing requirements. The state filing fee is only $50, making it one of the more affordable states for LLC formation. That's significantly cheaper than states like California or New York that charge hundreds of dollars. It has no state income tax for individuals or corporations and zero tax on the business level. Now before we jump into the formation process, let's quickly go over what an LLC or limited liability company actually is. And an LLC combines the flexibility and tax benefits of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. Basically, it creates a separate legal entity for your business, which means your personal assets are protected from business debts and legal issues. It's one of the most popular business structures for a good reason. And now here's something that trips up a lot of people. You need a registered agent for your New Mexico LLC. A registered agent is basically your official representative in the state. They receive legal documents and government notices, and they need to have a physical address inside New Mexico, and they need to be available during business hours by New Mexico law. Now let's say hypothetically you would use your own home address or a friend's address as the registered agent. Now that information would get put on the public record. Anyone can look up your LLC and see your personal address and information. Plus, if you're not available when important legal documents arrive, you could miss critical deadlines. That is why I always recommend using a professional registered agent service. It protects your privacy, ensures you never miss important documents, and keeps you compliant with the state requirements. And for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Northwest Registered Agent. I've used them personally. They're reliable, reasonably priced, and keep you compliant with the state requirements. So to follow along, you can click on the link in the description or type in buyhassle.com/Northwest. This will then bring you over to Northwest and will save you over $200 in filing fees. So here we see $39 LLC formation service, from where we can now select our state. Of course, we're going to select New Mexico, so I type in New and I select Mexico right here, and then click on Get Started. Okay, from here then first we can see what type of business you would like to start. And of course for us, we're going to select LLC, not a corporation or non-profit. And now right here you will see the filing fee as well. As you can see, it is 2-day processing, which is really fast, for $52 as a state filing fee, and the filing fee for Northwest is just $39. And without a discount, this total will be much higher, so you're saving a nice bit of money. From here we click on Continue, and now we can fill in the actual information for our business. First of all is the name of our business, and in the state it needs to be unique and end with LLC. So for this video I'm going to use Vector Troop LLC. Then for the second question, send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. I'm going to select no. For most people this won't be relevant either. And then we have the business purpose. Now we can fill in what we're doing, for example selling on Amazon, running a local store, anything like that. But for sake of simplicity and to still stay compliant, you can also say use generic business purpose. Is what I use all the time and totally fine. Then the address, so the physical address you want on record with the state, and the mailing address also on record with the state. For both of these you want to select the registered agent address of Northwest. From here we can go to the management, and this is then where we can complete the management of our company. Now for most single owner LLCs, you want to select member managed and not manager managed, and here you can then fill in your first name and last name. And then we have an option in New Mexico to list with the state or to omit from the state. Now if you want to go for maximum privacy, you can select omit, but I'll show you what that means. It says your LLC is more private if you omit, but you may have trouble opening a bank account. So if privacy is a #1 priority for you, you can select this. However, I would also recommend to select list with the state. Then we have the contact information, and don't worry about the information right here. This is not going to be put on any of the records. This is just for Northwest to communicate with you and to complete this purchase. Then next we got some additional options like the business identity, and for this I would simply not do this. It's not free, it's not included, it's a trial. As you can see, it includes a website, an email and phone number. If you do need this, I would recommend getting this somewhere else for a better price as well. However, then on the next option, the optional items, this is something you absolutely need, and that is the tax ID, also called the EIN or Employer Identification Number. And you need this to open a business bank account, to file your taxes, and basically do anything official with your LLC, so you absolutely need this option. Now you could theoretically also get this yourself through the IRS, but it's a lot of hassle and can take weeks to even months to get. So for just the time saving alone, I would highly recommend letting Northwest handle it for you. If you're a citizen, it's $50. If you're a non-resident, it's going to be $200. Now the other options like S corporation election with the IRS, trademark filing, premium mail service is not necessary, and even in case you would need this, you can also get this later. Then we can go to the next page right here, where you can complete the payment and see the total pricing in the state, which as you can see, including an EIN number, is only $141, which is the cheapest out of any state in the United States. Now talking about pricing, let me show the full breakdown for the initial formation and ongoing annual cost. Now as shown before, the Mexico state filing fee, $52, the Northwest filing fee, $39, and the EIN service, if you are a resident, is $50. So the total is just $141 to get your LLC up. And what is unique for New Mexico is that it has no annual report, any taxes or anything you need to pay. So there are no annual costs you need to pay to the state. The only annual costs are for Northwest, the registered agent fee to stay compliant in the state, which is $125 per year after the first year. As said, it's the cheapest out of any state in America. Then, let's just talk about the timeline and documents you receive. As I said, LLC formation in Mexico is really fast, usually 1 to 2 business days, but it can take a maximum of 6 business days. EIN processing, if you choose to do it through Northwest, 1 to 2 weeks. And then once everything is approved, you will get access to a Northwest dashboard from where you can manage your company info, filings and documents. You will receive your article of organization, which is basically the proof that your LLC is formed and officially in the state. You will get your designated New Mexico address from Northwest, which will be assigned to your LLC. The EIN number, so the business tax ID used for all your LLC operations, and also communicating with the tax authorities, and your LLC branding, which is where you will operate from, the name, so your official business identity. But now let's also talk about taxes. It's what a lot of people don't talk about. I want to show you exactly how this works. First of all, New Mexico LLCs are taxed as pass-through entities. You don't pay taxes at the business level. However, New Mexico officially does have state income tax if you operate from this state. But you don't need to pay this if you meet this criteria. So first, your LLC has no physical presence in New Mexico. So let's say you're a foreigner or you're from another state and you're using it for online business. You don't have a physical presence. If you don't live in New Mexico yourself, if you don't have employees there, or if you don't sell locally there, you do not pay any state income tax. Of course, if you are a US resident, you live in the US, you still need to pay federal income tax and self-employment tax, obviously, but still, it can save you thousands of dollars compared to high tax states. Now, let's talk about the required annual filings and penalties, and this is really where New Mexico shines. Unlike many states, New Mexico LLCs do not have required annual reports. Super easy. Now, states like California charge hundreds of dollars every year for the annual reports, but New Mexico doesn't require any of this. Okay, so let's wrap it up. New Mexico is an excellent choice for LLC formation, especially with the low $50 fee and no annual reporting requirement. Using a professional registered agent like Northwest protects your privacy and keeps you compliant. Again, for all the resources I've mentioned, I left links down below in the description. They help support the channel and get you a better deal when forming your own LLC. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.